All right, guys, here we go. Tuesday, April 11th, looking at the daily chart of the micro oil futures. And people were asking for some updates. Yeah, we're still short, just holding and molding here. If we get stopped out up here, because we seem to be consolidating pretty well, we are still holding up and over the bottom of our gap up here from actually the 1st of April and still holding here. Now, if we take out the bottom, let me pop a line through here of this gap support. In other words, if we roll over, then we could come down and fill this gap zone, which would really be nice for additional, short profit there. But on the other hand, something pops off in the world and you never can tell. Um, then we get stopped out. Then we'll look for the next short position up here at the 200 around that whole round even number of $84. Now, a lot of people are asking, how in the world did y'all pick like almost a perfect spot here for the short position? And we'll go ahead and give you one factor. We like to work with two or more factors per trade. If we do not have two or more things going in our favor for that thesis, either to the upside or downside, then we don't take the trade. And that puts our odds and percentages at 83 to 87% success. Okay. And first of all, we want to be able to, know what's going on, know the position, be able to name it, identify it. In other words, if you go in here and you can't name a pattern or a particular type of candle close, high pivot, low pivot location, moving average, whatever. You can't, name it, identify it, then you should not be trying to trade it. Okay, just going in, thinking that's going to work or hoping that's going to work. Be like your, you know, heart surgeon going in and thinking that's the right whatever to be cutting on, or, well, I've got a feeling this is the right artery that's messed up. Let's start hacking on it. That, probably wouldn't work out too well. But anyway, one of the factors, as you can see here, is this red dash line of resistance, had this consolidation zone. See how we sold off those wicks, sold off, sold off, sold off, and lots of reversals, high pivots, to the downside, even going way over here into November of last year. Then there was another even more important factor that's for our Patreon members, but that's what gave us the two, and that's what gave us a perfect hit here to go short. The micro futures oil, which is basically the same thing, but you can get it with the micro futures. You can just take, participate in the same, oil futures, gold, silver, whatever it may be, commodity, but you get to get in for a whole lot less money, but you still get the advantages of, the runs to the upside, downside. For example, silver. I'll do a video on it. For silver, I can control 1,000 ounces of silver for a little over $2,000, and I don't think you can find that anywhere else in the world. But all right, guys, thanks for watching. Give us a follow on Twitter. Check out our Introduction to Micro Futures course below, 50% off, and we will see you on the charts.